Hi everyone, and welcome back to Belinda's DIYs. If this is your first time here, welcome. So today I'm going to be decorating my coffee table that's sitting right behind me. It's an old antique steam trunk is what it's called. So I refurbished it a few weeks ago, and I will be putting a video out pretty soon. I wanted to decorate it with some rustic decor, but with a lot of white in it. So I put together some things in my two-tier tray, and I just want to share with you how I put all this together. I'll be using some Christmas ornaments that I purchased at Dollar General and also Dollar Tree. And I'm also going to DIY two small little projects that I'm going to be placing in my two-tier tray. So if you want to see how I put all this together, then please keep watching. I would really love it if you would consider to subscribe to my channel. In this channel, you're going to find a lot of easy and inexpensive DIYs for your home and also seasonal. So if this is something that appeals to you, I'm going to ask that if you can please consider to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon, right there in the corner, so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. These are the items that I'll be using on my coffee table. First up is this two-tier tray. I DIY'd this last year sometime. I'll go ahead and link that video up above and also down below in case you'd like to know how I put this together. 3 LED candles. I know they have fall decorations on them, but I will be removing them. I'll be using this contact paper with the wood grain print on it. You can also use the Dollar Tree contact paper that they have that also has a wood print on it. Some jute cord, and this is from Walmart. Some Dollar Tree poster sticker letters. 1 box decor from Dollar Tree. Right now Dollar Tree has some with a Christmas print on them. Some Christmas bouquets and also some white berries. Some white Waverly chalk paint. Several Christmas ornaments, for example, this O right here, this Christmas tree with a buffalo check print, and also this metal look peace sign, a white ceramic house, and this is from Target from the dollar spot. Okay, so I'm going to start with these LED candles, and I'm going to remove the fall decorations that I had on them. And so now I want to change the exterior of this LED candle to look very rustic. So what I'm going to do is add this contact paper, and it'll give it a totally different look. I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other 2 candles. Next, I'm going to add the jute cord around the center. Then I'll be adding some hot glue on the back side to hold it in place. Next, I'm going to make a bow with the cord, and what I'm going to do is just wrap it around a few times around my 4 fingers and then tie it in the center. And then I'm going to hot glue it to my candle. And then for the final touch, I'm going to add some of those white berries to the center of my bow. For the next project, I'm going to use this box decor. I'm going to remove the hardware and also the sticker that it has on the back. I'm also going to remove the bow on the front, and then I'm going to use my sanding block to sand off the little bit of glitter that it has. I want to give this box a rustic look, so what I'm going to do is dry brush some white paint all around the edges of this box. Next, I'm going to cover the front of the box using the same contact paper that I used on my candles. Next, I'm going to use my sanding block to smooth out all the edges, and I'm going to be going all around the box. And here I just want to show you up close how it looks. The next thing that I'm going to do is spell out the word joy, and I'm going to be using the J from the letter stickers, and I'll be placing it on the upper left hand corner. Next, I'll be taking the Y and I'll be placing that one on the bottom right hand corner. And then for the letter O ornament, I'll be hot gluing it to the center. And since I want my decor to have a lot of white, I'm going to remove the red berries that this ornament has up at the top, and I'm going to be replacing them with the white berries. now that I had my 2 DIYs, I was ready to start decorating my 2-tier tray. And so I just started playing around with the items that I had. And so I would place them here and there, and then I would stand back and see how they'd look, and then I'd go back and change them again till I finally settled with the look that I was happy with. And this is how my coffee table turned out. I did add 2 of the Dollar Tree scarves over my coffee table. I wanted it to look kind of like a present. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day. And remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.